Good almost afternoon, traders. Coming at you a little bit late today, as you can see. We had this shit right here. And of course, I got caught in it. And then I did this trade and I bought and made my profit for the day, just in this little part right here. But I couldn't help myself. I wanted to do a little more. We all want more. Shit, I'm gonna start coughing again. Mode Z Tabernacle in the Bryn. Oh, come here, cough drop. Fuck. Sorry about that. This cough, cold, flu, whatever you want to call it. H1N1, COVID. I can't believe people call it COVID. There never was COVID. It's a fucking lie. Oh, God. Yeah, I caught it 3 times. COVID. Yeah. Sure you did. Okay. Let's get at this, right? Okay, let's start over here. Where's fucking 9:30? Oh, it's way over here, eh? And this is the 1 minute, eh? I'm looking at. Can't trade the 2 minutes. It's too slow. It's too slow to react, man. Even though it seemed like the market was going real slow and we weren't going anywhere, and yeah. So anyway, I think there was a trade. I forget it now. I just forget it now. Anyway, here's the open right here. It rallied up. And then they took it back down 80, 90% of where they took it up from, which is right here. They took it back, more than 100% they took it back. And then they did their chop, and I didn't want to do these pullback trades, but there was pullback trades there. Okay. Right here is the first one. I guess you could be brave enough to try and take, that trade, buy the dip, sell the rip, right? Here's another one. Right there, boom shakalaka. Up she go, and here's a hookup. Look at the hookup. I'm human. I see them after the fact too, even myself. I seen it came back, it did a retracement, but I didn't see that it was a hookup. Remember, the hookups have nothing to do with the OSMA, okay? They only have to do with price and the moving averages, okay? You know how I told you that the moving averages tell me stories along the way when it goes up, when it goes sideways, and when it goes up, it tells me little stories. Do this. No, don't do that. Ta-ta, hot, hot. Don't do that, right? So you got to pay attention to that. So, right here. Boom. Love that red diamond, right? So they did a sell fake, and then right here you would have bought it, and up it went. You would have made profit. Now in here, you know what they did. They buy faked and sell faked breakouts here. Oh, breakout, better get short. Oh, breakout, better get long. Oh, better get short. That's what they did. That's why I put those fucking 2 lines there, saying I'm not doing nothing until I can see that maybe it breaks one of these fuckers. And I put them on when this wick developed. Or no, maybe this one. So I did it before this one is what I'm trying to, itchy nose, say. And look at the fake out they did. And then up it goes. And like I said, I got in right here and made the money right there. But I did do a couple trades in here first, so I had to make back the loss. And then this one right here, here's where I made back the money. Let me show you. Like this. Okay. And like this, as you can see. And it goes up. I don't know why I put that on there. Oh yeah, I marked out divergence here that never really worked out. Oh yeah, it did. A little bit right here. Okay. This is hidden divergence, ladies and gentlemen, right here to right here, and you would have simply got in somewhere between these three candles, okay? You would have got in, and boom, up it went. Okay? Okay. And what did we have along the way to go up here? We had some a hookup, and we had a lower close. Right here. Right there, lower close, buy it, up it goes. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. Plus, that's the entry arrow for the divergence over here and down here. The hidden divergence, that is. Okay? Then, what did we have? We had let's just take it from the middle, okay? Just for fun. Right there. Like that. What's that? Oh my goodness, what's that? We know what it is. We're divergence traders. We know what the fuck it is. It's this. Just like that. Boom. And there's our entry candle right there after it did the cross down. Okay. Actually, it did it here, but no, I didn't draw a divergence on these, on here and here. I needed more confirmation, right? So as it, you know, fucked everybody in here, cluster fucked them, then the true situation came. See the nice gap between the two moving averages and how it gapped all the way down, gap. See, that told you can't buy, you can only sell. Now, let me just show you some more sells here. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. We'll put one right here. Higher close, boom, sell it, down it goes. A lot of action here, 1 minute time frame. Okay, this is really funny because the last trade I did today was right here, and it was a, I got the wrong thing, I'm sorry. There. It was one of these. And I didn't realize it at the time. I just said, hey, oh, it came down here, right here. I said, I want to sell, because I knew they were going to come and take out these wicks, because they always do. That's their job. So anyway, there's a hook down. So I sold it in here, and boom, I took it here, and it sprung right back up again. And here's another hookup right here. The last hookup, okay? Right there. Boom. And if you would have sold it right in here somewhere, what did it give you? It gave you profit. It gave you some profit. Yeah. It gave you profit. Pretty funny how you see it afterwards. After I clicked out of the trade right here, I went, holy fuck, there's a hook down right there. And I didn't even see it before your eyes, because your eyes are so like glued into what's going on, and your mind's thinking of something else, and you're having a bologna sandwich over here, and over there, you're having a chicken sandwich. So you kind of get distraught, where you're like blind. You're like, you know the term snowblind? Well, this is candle blind. I don't know. Fuck. And you can't see it. And then after everything happens, and you look at it and you go, oh, there it is. You know what I mean? So that can happen at times to the best of us. Okay. So anyway, we had two higher close, sell it, down it goes. We had double top divergence to sell it down. All these things right here telling you, sell, Jason. Sell it down. And sure enough, she went down. And then 2 more fucking hook downs right here. Oh, beautiful. And if you really wanted to be rambunctious and creative, you would have what? You would have sold the higher close, sell it, boom, down it goes. And that would have been a good profitable trade right there. Oh, yeah. And now it's come back up, and you don't know what the fuck it's going to do. Right now, it's another hook down again. Will it work? Well, it looks like it. She would have got short right here. Oh, back to break even. But yeah, pretty amazing how it can tell you all these stories along the way as it moves. These 2 moving averages, if you know how to read them. You see, most people, not that I'm talking bad about most people, but they don't know how to read what's going on because they don't have some tool telling them that. You know, there's just so many times I trade here. I make mistakes too. I have losing trades too, just like you. Okay, so don't take me cutting you up or cutting anybody down. But most of the time, when I'm watching these guys on the stream, and I'm not mentioning any names of any streams or anybody, they're doing something wrong at the wrong time. You see, it's all about timing, when to get in, okay? But when you get in, are you on the buy side? Or are you on the sell side, where you can only do buys or you can only do sells? You see in here, there's a lot of people that would sell these candles, these lower closing candles. They would sell it here, where I'm telling you, don't fucking sell it, buy it. Buy it. Because I know that my moving averages, when the slower moving average, which is the 5 EMA, is above the 7 EMA displacement 1, okay? Don't forget the displacement 1. When that's below the 5, you know, you can't, it's plain and simple. You just go, okay, I can't do any buying. I can't, right from this point, right here, you say to yourself, I can't do any selling, is what I meant to say, selling. I can only buy, right? Buy, right? Buy, right? That's right, until everything changes. See, now the 5 flipped and crossed down below the 7. So now you got to say to yourself, okay, well, right now I cannot buy. I can only look for sells. And if I don't see them until the right time, then I don't do anything. See, so then over here, you can see the gap between the 2 moving averages and how the 5 crossed down below the 7, you know, because they're an indicator built to act and react in the way that they're coded, right? So these moving averages, if you use them for a long time, you got to use them how I use them. You just got to, because it only makes sense. Because if the slower moving average is below or the faster moving average is below the slower moving average, you know you can only do sells. If the slower moving average is above this, the fast moving average is above the slower moving average, you know you can only buy. You see? It's like it's giving you the treasure map. Every day, if you follow them, if you follow what it does, if you watch it right here, you watch what it's doing, you watch what it's doing, you watch, and you get in on the opportunities, okay? But when it fucking does this shit, it's very hard to read them and say, hey, you know, the cluster fuck. They fuck you. You know, and right here, I call this thing, it's a new thing, I call it the the finger that you pick your nose with, right? Digging for gold. I don't know how to explain it, but if you bend your finger right in, you know that finger. If you look at the chart right now, see it's going down then up, That's the finger bend right here. I call it the finger bend. It's a finger fuck up is what it is. You know, it really fucking finger fucks around in here. You know what I mean? And it's a bad thing. Usually you'll get a loss because you don't know if it's going up or you don't know it's going down. It's a fucking fuck up. But anyway, that's enough about that. I covered all the trades, all the opportunities. Let's now chew my fucking cough drop. Okay. So now we're going to look at MetaTrader, and then we'll go through those charts right here. Oh, let's go to the NASDAQ. Oh, so no divergence down here because the right side of it is bigger than this side. Even if you draw it from here, this is still bigger, so there's no divergence to buy in here. Nope. But look right here. Hold on. Oh, what do I need here? Here, let me put that there for now because I'm gonna get there. I'm gonna get there in a sec. Okay, so we had a lower close. Buy it, up it goes. Look, here's another lower close right here. Right here, man. See? Up it goes. Another one, up it goes. If you wanted to buy up there, you know how I'm against buying near the top or selling near the bottom, right? I want to sell from near the top and buy from near the bottom. That's the correct way to do it. Okay, let's go and look at the S&P now. Oh, same thing. See, on the right side, same thing. Big. It's too big. It's bigger than the left side. It's no good. But we do have some lower close. Buy it. Up it goes. Same candle, same time. They're running a fucking... They're running robots, algorithms. That's what they're fucking running. They're running, man. I'm telling you, they're running. Buy it, up it goes. Yeah, crazy. What about the Dow? Oh, Dow's a little bit more choppy. Couple wicks. Usually it has about 5 to 10 more wicks on there. Oh, here they are. Down here. Fucking wicks, eh, in the Dow? Fucking wicksters. They're fucking wicksters. This is so ugly. I don't even want to mark it. But I have to. I have to give you the one trade. Here's the one trade. Okay? Do. Okay. So, you would have sold right in here. Right in here. And it went down for you. 60, 65 ticks. Yeah, 65 ticks. Okay, look at the pound. Oh, look at that beautiful. Oh. Look at that beautiful, nice little double bottom there. Hey, look at that. Hey, double bottoms, double tops. Higher highs, lower lows. Can't be. Really? How is that so? How is that so? We always have higher highs, lower lows. How come we always have those things every day? I don't know. Ask the guy who wrote the fucking algorithm for the market. He won't tell you. He won't tell you. That little guy, 5'2" with a mustache, he won't tell you jack shit. He wants to keep stealing your money. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. See that? Fucking A. Fucking C, fucking B. Euro USD. Oh, look what we have. We have lower lows. No way. I just said that. No. Lower lows. Oh, yeah. Look at that shit. Woo. What do we have up here? We have higher highs, but it's not time to sell yet. We need the 5 to come down below. We need the 5 to come down below into the below the 7. In here, we need a nice gap in between the both of them. Okay? And then you can consider selling it off. Okay? If you want to do that. If you want to do that. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. Right there. La, di, da. See this one? Higher highs? But this right side is bigger than the left side. Now I'm getting the hiccups. Okay. Yes. Pound yen. Oh my goodness. Look at the divergence. Right here we have higher highs. But let's see here. Hold on. Oh, what am I doing? I just changed it to bars. I'm a little mixed up here for a second. Hold on. Okay, there it is, higher highs. But what? Oh, it's this one I wanted to click. I wanted to see what was over here. There's a trade right here. Double top or higher highs to sell it off into the start of the UK session. And then we came down here. You could call that a double bottom. Boom, buy it, up it goes. Yeah, let's mark it. It's Friday today. I got to give you your money's worth, right? You guys pay so much every month. I got to give you your money's worth, okay? Excuse me. Okay. Just do this here. Boom. Yeah, there it is. Boom. There it goes up 35. Oh, look what we have up here. We have hidden divergence. Yes, we do. We got hidden. See that little blue doodah right there? If you see it, yeah, there's the boom and boom. There's the hidden divergence, ladies and gentlemen. So you would have got short right there, right here, okay? This is pound yen. So you would have made up to 24 pips maximum potential. Then we had higher highs. $66 pips potential. And we had one more trade, ladies and gentlemen. Double bottom, okay? This side is a little bit shy, but it's okay. I know I can trust them because I have everything else that falls into criteria placement. And because of that, I know that my signals will work. I had this one guy come on and say, that's not divergence. This is divergence. Whatever I said, I don't care what you say. I said, to me, it's fucking divergence. And it works. And I said the 5 crossed down below the 7. Not that you give a fuck about the moving averages, but yeah, this guy was trying to teach me shit. He has a channel on here, this guy. He's kind of a clown. He seemed like a really nice guy, but he just wants everybody following him. Like he's the god to the market or some fucking shit. So I hang out there for a few days and then realize this guy is like I don't know, a fucking control freak or something. Weirdo. It is weird. I had to leave. 115 pips to the top on the pound yen. And along the way, we had lower closes. A couple lower closes. We'll just put one on there. Euro yen. Is it the same shit? Oh. Yeah, we'll just mark a couple, eh? Higher highs. It's going up. We'll just fudge it a little bit. You like fudgicles? Here's a fudgicle. Okay. And you would have sold right in here once you see the gap between the two, and down it went. And here also, see, same as the pound yen. This is the EJ, euro yen. You have algorithm also. Okay, we need a up arrow. It went up 80 something pips. Yeah. That's a usual count for that, for the euro yen. It's really funny how you just know this was coded and programmed to do things over and over again. You just know. You look at the fucking charts for, I don't know, since 2005, I've been looking at charts. So that's 20 years, I think, right? Yeah, it's 20 years. You keep seeing this shit and you go, oh my God, look at it. Somebody must have coded this to do these things. It just has to be, you know? I don't know how else to explain it. How I just look at a chart and I say, oh yeah, I've seen that before. Oh yeah, I've seen that. Oh yeah, I've seen that. You know? It's crazy. Because they can only do so much things. I don't know, maybe there's someone else who would tell me the opposite of that. I don't know. I'm not a coder. So, oh, we got something moving here. Oh yeah, it's 8 minutes after 12. Lunchtime news. Okay. Okay, I had to blow my honker. I didn't want to do that with you guys hearing me do that. So this was doing a little dance when I was blowing the honker. And it's up here now. Which one? Oh yeah, we're looking at the euro yen. Okay, interesting. Oil? Oh, oil did some dip too. There's something happening. Maybe Trump saying, my friend Don saying a couple words or something. I don't know. Oh, look. It's time to sell. Oil. Look what we got here. We got a double top. Really? Yeah. Look. See the left side? Or the right side, I mean. See, the right side's less than the left side. So that's correct. Double top. Draw it. When this candle closes, or now, you would get in, and down it goes. And watch it. They'll take it down to S2 again, maybe. Down to $73. Yeah, their goal is to get that oil price down so they can make gasoline for less money, eh? That's what they want to do. Okay, let's move on now to gold. What did gold do? Oh, let's see. 15. Oh. Well, let's try the 5. What did the 5 give us? It gave us divergence from up there. Didn't give us any other divergence. Oh, yeah, there it is. Here's the buy trade. We got in there, it went up 130 points on gold. Did it go to a new higher high today, I wonder? Let's see. Yeah, it did. Look. It went to a new higher high. Hi, how are ya? Hi, how are ya? Okay, 5 minute. Okay. Here's the divergence. Higher highs. My oh my, higher highs. Hi, how are ya? Oh, yeah. Right there. And it went down 60 points there. But if you held on, it went down 80. 80 points. That's gold. Okay, so that's for it for the markets that move, that most people trade each day. That's it. Let's go into the crypto now. What did Bitcoin? Is it up or down today? Oh, it's down a little bit. It's very dead, the crypto market. But I'm sure there will be a time, soon enough, they'll make it move. Oh, XRP's down too, $3.08. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. And what about silver? Silver should be high and fly in, yeah. Ethereum, yeah, it's coming back up. US dollar yen, yeah, it wants to go down, but it's hanging out there. US dollar index, oh, look at this news did with the US dollar index. Trashed it. See that? Look at that perfect double top up there. Yeah, I won't mark it up. I don't mark up this chart. I don't even know why I have it. This is the US dollar index. That's made up of a basket of US dollars. Euros are the two biggest contributants. There's some other markets too, I'm sure, in there. I don't know what they're called. I don't want to name one thinking that that's one when it could be not. So I don't know. I know the US dollar and the euro are in there for sure. I know that. When the euro goes up, the US dollar goes down. When the US dollar goes down, the euro goes up. It's like a teeter-totter. They have it rigged so that both markets cannot collapse at the same time. What's the two main currencies of the world? Well, you could say three, but I'm making a point with two. The euro and the US dollar. And the third one would be the Great British Pound. All the other currencies, well, you got Swiss franc and you got the Aussie dollar, and yeah. But you don't need to pay no attention to that if you're trading the NASDAQ. So anyway, that's it for the setups for this week. I want to thank you for watching and listening today. If you trade this afternoon, please be careful. Come back Monday. We'll see you. We'll see you then, and we'll do it all over again with brand new setups, but setups that look like something we just looked at last week. That's just the way it is, because these markets run on algorithms, as far as I'm concerned, and you can see that it does that. Yeah, either it's moving really fast or it's moving slow, and both of them are killers. Okay. When price is moving so slow, it wants you to jump out of the fucking trade. When markets are moving really fast, it wants you to jump out of the trade. Yeah, it's a crazy thing. These markets are crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Okay. Have a great weekend. Good luck and good trading.